Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Today we will be solving circle theorem question papers and we will be solving medium questions. Alright. Before I start the questions, I wanted to inform you all that all revenue generated for the first 6 months will be donated to the cause of Palestine. So please do make sure to like, subscribe and share my channel. Jazakallah khair. So the first question says question 1a, in the diagram A, B, C, D lie on the circle with center O. Okay. The question says that EA is tangent. EA, this line is tangent to the circle at A. It's tangent at this point. Angle EAB, which is EAB, is 61, and angle BAC, yani BAC, this angle is 55. Now the question says find angle BAO. They're asking you to find this angle. Alright. Now look guys, whenever you have a question like this, whenever you have a tangent, remember this whole thing is 90 degrees. Alright. So if you want to find this angle, let's BAO, angle BAO, this will be 90 and we will subtract from it what? We will subtract 61. Alright. Once we subtract 61, we get 29 degrees. So the answer for the first question is 29 degrees. Moving on to the next question, it says find angle AOC. Now let me erase this. AOC. They are asking you to find this angle. Now look guys, even though this question seems difficult, it's actually not. If you look at it, I'll make it for you. We have a separate diagram like this, in which we have OAC. Now if you look at it, this whole thing is 55 degrees, alright? So if I want to find this angle, I will do 55 minus 29, which means that this angle is 26. If this angle is 26, look, this is radius. Alright, it means both the sides are same. It means this side is also 26. So 26 and 26, all that we are left is with O, let's call it O. So this would be O plus 26 is equals to 180. O plus 52 is equals to 180. O is equals to 180 minus 52. Alright. So O is equals to 128. This is how you had to find angle AOC. Now let's move on to the next question. It says find angle ABC. Okay, let me erase this. Question is saying that find angle ABC. They are asking you to find this angle. So look guys, we remember we calculated this as 128. Now the property that we will be using is that angle at center is twice angle at corner, which means that this angle will be half of 128. So I will do 128 multiplied by 1 upon 2, which is 64. So the answer is going to be 64. Alright. Next question, it says find angle CDA. Now let's go up. CDA. They are asking me to find this angle. So look guys, what I'll do is right now, in order to make things easy for you, I'll make all of this white. Okay, imagine there is nothing over here. Alright, imagine there is nothing over here. Okay. Now, this angle is 64. Now, whenever two opposite angles are touching the corners of a circle, their sum is 180, which means let's call this angle D. It means 64 plus D is equals to 180. So I will do D is equals to 180 minus 64. So D is equals to 116 degrees. This is going to be your answer. So easy. Now let's move on to question 2. In question 2 it says A, B, C, D are points on the circumference of the circle center O. DOB is a straight line and angle DAC is 58. Find angle CDB. They're asking me to find this angle. Look guys, this question is not very difficult. If you look, mashallah, so much noor on my face. If you look, if this is 58, this side is also 58. Why? Because angles in the same segment, both are coming from DC. This angle and that angle, both are coming from DC. Secondly, if you look, this is the diameter, which means, and whenever the circle passes through the diameter, whenever there is this diameter, this is 90 degrees. Which means, if I make a separate angle, it would be like this, DBC. This is 90, this is 58. Alright, so I will do 180 minus 90 minus 58, which means that angle CDB is going to be 32 degrees. So this angle is 32. Let's move on to our next question, question number 3. It says, let me zoom out, P, Q, R are points on the circumference. Okay. PO is parallel to QR and angle POQ is 48. Find angle OPR. They are asking you to find this angle. If you look at the question, this is 48, which is the center of the circle, which means that this angle is going to be 24 because this is the corner of the circle. Now if you guys notice something, this is an alternate angle. This is making a Z. Alright, if I make it outside over here, it's like this. This is P, this is Q, this is R, this is 24. So this will also be 24. So that's how we got the answer of 24. This is angle at corner is half angle of circle. So which means that PRQ is 24 and OPR is same as PRQ because angles in the alternate segment. Moving on to the next question, we have question 4. These type of questions students find difficult. Now it says, because students don't watch my videos, nothing is difficult inshallah. A, B, C, D, E lie on the circle center O. Angle AEB is 35, angle ODE is 28, angle ACD is 109. Work out the following angles. Angle EBD. Now look guys, if you look at it, we just did a similar question, so if you were able to do it. If you look over here, this is radius and this is also radius. So this means if this side is 28, this is also 28. And this is x, which means x plus 28 is equals to 180. X plus 56 is equals to 180. X is equals to 180 minus 56. Which means x is equals to 124. Now this is center and B is at the corner. So I will do 124 divided by 2, which means this is 62. So angle EBD is 62 because angle at center is twice angle at corner. This is the reason. So look, angle EAD, if this angle is 62, angle EAD, this angle is also going to be 62. Why? Because look, B is coming from E and D, and this angle is also coming from E and D. So what does this mean? This actually means that angle EAD is 62 because angles in the same segment are equal. So you guys easily got 5 marks. Next question, it says work out angle BEO. BEO. BEO means, let me erase everything. Okay, 62, not 64. BEO. They're asking you to find this angle now. So look guys, whenever you have a question like this, do one thing. Erase all the unnecessary information. Okay, let's erase this. Let's erase this line. Let me erase it and then resume the video. So look guys, if we remember, this thing is 28. Let me use a lighter pen. This thing is 28, right? So this whole angle is, let's call this side x. We need to find this x. 35 plus x plus 28. Now if you look at it, aren't these two angles opposite and touching the corner? This means if I do 180 minus 109, this will give me an answer of 71. This means 35 plus x plus 28 is actually equals to 71. X is equals to 71 minus 28 minus 35, which means x is equals to 8 degrees. So your answer for this question is 8 degrees. Moving on to the next question. I hope this is, we have 2 more questions. No problem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. K, L, M are points on the circle. KS is a tangent to the circle. KS is a tangent to the circle at K. KM is diameter. KM is diameter. Okay. Find the value of Z. So look guys, if you're unable to do this, you're again forgetting something important. What? This is 90 degrees. And the thing you guys are always forgetting is that this is an isosceles triangle. Always make sure you pay attention to these 2 lines. So let me make it like this over here. Both M, K, L. If this is 90, this is x and this is x, which means x plus 90 is equals to 180. 2x is equals to 180 minus 90. 2x is equals to 90. X is equals to 90 divided by 2. X is equals to 45. Now this is not where we stop. This is 45. Now what did I say? Whenever it's a tangent, it is always 90 degrees, which means Z plus 45 is also 90. Z is equals to 90 minus 45. Z is also equals to 45. So look, this question was not hard at all. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So the last question we have over here. F, G, H and J are points on a circle. E, F, G is a straight line. Find the value of Y. Look guys, if you look at this question, if this angle is 108, this is also 108. Why? This is a Z, like this. Okay. And now if you look at it, these 2 angles are opposite, which means y plus 108 is equals to 180. Y is equals to 180 minus 108. Y is equals to 72 degrees. Alright. So now we are done with the first series of questions. We did the medium questions. If this video benefited you, please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and please do support. Your support means a lot. All the revenue generated will go to the cause of Palestine for the first 6 months, inshallah. And do watch this series to master this topic of circle theorem. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.